In this video, we'll show you how you can process an order that's been placed on your website. So in this example, I've just put through a test order on our test site. So what you need to do is pop into the back end of the system, and underneath their customers/orders section, pop into orders, and here you'll see any pending orders. So there's the order that we've just made. So if you wanted to update anything or just look at the order in detail, pop on to where it says edit status, and this will show you in detail a lot more information about the order. You can see the total cost of the order, any taxes attached to it, obviously who purchased it and where it's being shipped to, how to get in contact with that person via phone or email, and actually which IP address they logged the order from. So here we've got the order status. Currently, by default, all stores should be set to pending by default. If you wanted to change the order so that you want to notify the customer that the order is now being processed, just pop into processing down there, then hit the update button. This will send the client an email, and it will also update the order status. And you can also click on the invoice button. This will give you just a detailed tax invoice that you can obviously print off and then attach to the parcel that you're sending out to your customer. And you can also print off a packing slip. You notice that with this packing slip as well, up the top we've got just where it says store name, address, country, phone. This is just some default information that we have on our test site. Obviously your site will have your own details as well as your own logo across the top as well. You can also print this off and then attach that to the parcel you're sending out to your customer. And so once you've actually done all the packing that you need to do and you want to send the item off, you can just set the status to delivered, and then you can also add a comment to that order. And there's a tick box down the bottom that says append comments to status notification email. If that's ticked, then that comment there will also get sent in that email to your client. So now that we've updated that order, what we can also do is, say for example, we've only got a few options in here of different order statuses. Say if you wanted to create a custom one of your own. So if you had an item that was like in transit or anything like that, and you wanted a custom notification for that, pop into where it says localization on the left, and then into where it says order status. And in here you can see all of the different order statuses that exist by default, as well as which one the site is set to by default. That site default option, when someone processes an order on your site, automatically it'll go to that order status first. So what we'll do is, instead of having the order as pending by default, we'll change the processing over to the default order. So just click on edit and then hit, select that checkbox and then hit update. And there you go. So now all orders on the site will be processing instead of pending.